Hi guys, I am excited to share these 4 websites with you where you can download free scientific illustrations in 2025. I know this is not good for my business as a scientific illustrator to share these information with you. However, I think it is important to do what is right, which is sharing good information with the scientists around the world so you guys can publish your research on time and within your budget. I taught at the University of Amsterdam. I have worked with clients around the world, so I know how little budget you guys have. I don't know what's the better word to put it, but academia really don't have a lot of budget, especially these days. There are a lot of budget cuts. So sharing these free websites with you is the most sensible thing and offer you guys in 2025. The first website is called BioArt. It is a library established by the NIH in the US. These are all open source graphics, so you don't need to worry about the copyright when you use them. They have an extensive library of over 2,000 illustrations. These illustrations are also verified by professional scientific illustrators. My favorite feature of this website is you can download these illustrations in 4 file types. You can edit these illustrations in a wide range of software and add new parts into illustration to reflect your discoveries. These illustrations are compatible with Adobe Illustrator, Inkscape, and PowerPoint. So I'm pretty sure you guys, as long as you have these 3 software, you can use these illustrations without any problem. If you have further questions, you can leave them in the comments or book a consultation with me. I've already done a few consultations this year. I do notice you guys might need some help operating these software and illustrations. Feel free to reach out to me if you need any help. The second website is called BioIcons. They also have these open source illustrations for research publications. All these illustrations are under the Creative Commons license. If you attribute the author according to the license, you can use them for your publications for free. I put the link to this website in the description below, so you can easily go to this website and download illustrations you need. The third website is called Severe Medical Art. You can find anatomy illustrations from this website. This is very good for medical publications. They also use Creative Commons license, but make sure you attribute the database. Make sure you attribute Severe Medical Art. It is one of the terms for using these illustrations. The fourth website is my own website, DrawBioMed.com. I've been creating content on YouTube for many years. I'm releasing these illustrations I've drawn throughout the years. If you want the original file, you can subscribe to my Patreon. There I store my Adobe Illustrator file and Inkscape file. These are the websites I recommend in 2025. If you know any other website, let me know in the comments. If you have further questions, you can book a consultation with me. My goal in 2025 is to post more videos and grow my channel. So make sure to subscribe, give a like to support my videos, and I look forward to seeing you again in the next video.